Hello! It's giveaway time. Yes, that's right. It's Handsome Gadget's first giveaway of 2019. And on this giveaway, we've received 4,428 views, 124 new subscribers, 220 comments, 127 thumbs up, and 10 thumbs down?
What's the matter with you?
That's a little interesting because we've had over 4,000 views, but only about 20% commented to enter. Well, I guess most people don't like free stuff. Then again, maybe a majority of these views aren't actually human. But for those that subscribed, they shared, and they commented on this giveaway, I would like to say thank you very much. Now let's get on with this giveaway. Alright, so this first winner is going to receive a Google Home Mini with a KIWI Design G2 magnetic wall mount. So, drumroll please, let's pick that winner. Big Sip.
Yahoo!
Let's see if we can reach out to Big Sip.
Congratulations on winning the Google Home Mini and KIWI Design G2 magnetic wall mount. Please reach out to me so I can get your information and send you your winnings. You have 3 days to respond. Thank you. Alright, let's comments.
So congratulations to Big Sip for winning the Google Home Mini and the KIWI Design magnetic base. So now's the moment we've all been waiting for.
The grand prize winner.
This person's going to win a Google Home Mini, a smart light bulb, and a G2 magnetic wall mount. So without further ado, drumroll please. Kenneth Daniels.
Nice.
He commented, only 10,000 subs? ? That's thinking way too small. 50,000 subscribers in 2019. Stretch your vision, man. And man, I cannot agree with you more. With your guys' help out there, we will reach 10,000 and beyond. So thank you. So let's reach out to Mr. Kenneth Daniels and tell him the good news.
Sorry, English is not my first language. Congratulations. Let's do spell check. That's spelled wrong. You won the grand prize. The Google Home Mini, Smart Light Bulb, and G2 wall mounts. Please reach out to me within 3 days so I can ship your prize. Thank you for your entry.
And that about wraps it up, people. So once again, I'd like to thank everybody who entered. We will have more giveaways. I'm actually looking kind of towards 2,000 subscribers. Once we hit that mark, who knows what we have in store. But until then, remember, every Wednesday, I'm posting a new video at 9 o'clock in the morning, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So make sure to check that out, subscribe, make sure that notification bell is turned on so you receive all the notifications of everything that I post. Make sure you share. Let's get the word out. Let's get this 10,000 subscribers this year. Or as Mr. Kenneth Daniels says, let's get that 50,000 subscribers in 2019. Thank you and have a good one.